Hey, you have your favorite Denon HD 1100 headphones, but the 3.5mm plug is broken, and this is already the second plug that was repaired by non-professional service. So today I'll show you how to replace plug and fix these Denon headphones like a pro. The first thing to do is get a good quality 3.5mm plug. But keep in mind that these headphones have a double cable, and not all plugs will fit it. But I'll show you how to fix that problem also. Ask your super grandmother for some tools and a soldering iron. You'll also need some heat shrink tubing. The first task is to cut off the old plug, then stretch the cable. This releases the rubber tension, and the headphones will last longer after the repair. As you can see, the cable is too thick for this plug housing, so grab a drill, measure the cable size, and drill the cable entry hole in the plug housing a little bigger. Now you can easily slide the housing onto the cable. Then separate both wires and remove the outer cable jacket from each one. Do this carefully, so you don't damage the wires inside. Twist both gold wires together, since they are the common ground. Now check which side of the headphones is the right side, and find out which cable belongs to it. In my case, the right channel positive wire is red. The green wire is for the left channel positive. Next, widen the plug's cable clamp so the cable fits inside it. Tin all the wires. This improves soldering quality and makes the soldering process easier. Also tin the plug contacts for a better soldering result. Then cut the ground wire shorter. Cut a piece of heat, shrink tubing, stretch it a little larger, and slide it onto the cable. Now solder the ground wire to the correct plug contact and secure the cable in place with the plug clamp. Tin the left and right wires, cut the left wire to the required length, and solder it to the correct plug contact. Do the same with the right channel positive wire, which is red in my case. Then ask your grandfather for some nail polish and cover all the contacts. It will save you from short circuits. Add super glue to the cable clamp and slide the heat shrink tubing over the glue. Then add more super glue over the wires and contacts to keep everything securely in place for years. Now assemble the plug and screw it on tightly. In the video description you'll find a link to replacement 3.5mm plugs that don't need drilling. Then open the tech screw stereo test video and test your repaired headphones. Mine sound like new again, and I hope your repair ends with the same result. Now cut another piece of heat shrink tubing that's slightly smaller in diameter than the plug housing and a little longer than the housing itself. Stretch it enough so it fits over the plug housing. Then add another drop of super glue where the cable enters the plug and slide the heat shrink tubing over the housing. This holds the cable very securely in place and gives it a much nicer look. You have to admit, it looks way better. And here's the result. Repaired Denon headphones with a brand new 3.5mm jack. Now they should keep working for years because they were repaired with the tech screw guide. Good luck, and like always, hit that like button and leave a comment telling me how your repair turned out.